AMBR stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is AMBR International Holding Limited stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, specifically with this, I'm seeing a choppy price action with AMBR International. I'm still going to stick to my edge though that I've tested over 44,000 videos over the last 5 years. And specifically how this looks like for me, it's a bearish market, one heck of a bearish market. This supply zone is going to be turned to this. And yeah, it just levels, right? It's levels right here. The only thing that's going to make me briefly think it's bullish, and it doesn't even have to be brief, but for me to for this to shift from a bearish to a bullish range, the price must be breaking above $8 approximately, 804, 805 ish. What break doesn't matter, you know. I have 2 breaks and onward, because one break could easily just be a fake out. I mean, I've seen this happen time and time again. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.